So trickle vents are a little stopper that comes on most vinyl windows, especially on double hungs or glider windows, that allows you to open the window a little bit but still have the safety of someone not being able to open that window. They're good for, you know, those, it seems like 10 or 11 days in Minnesota where we get to have the windows open, where you can open the window, have that little space, have a little venting, to get that airflow coming in, but still have the security of the window being closed and nobody's going to be able to slide that open all the window. It's typically, those are typically found on vinyl windows and not some of the premium manufacturers. Trickle vents, I think, are one of those things that vinyl companies use to keep you distracted from the rest of the window. They want to show you these little features and focus on the glass and not have you focus on the rest of the window and how it doesn't look that great, and it's made out of plastic.